What's going on?
They're fighting like cats and dogs.
Are they like physically?
Started it.
Get out!
Hey, she's
No.
Hold on.
right now.
Hold on.
Get
No, she's gonna be aggressive.
out!
Please.
She does. What is happening?
Look, and that.
Get off of me!
Brittany. Come on, Brittany.
Don't kick me.
Does it show her you guys fighting or what is it?
It shows the door.
On the 18th of March, 2024 officers in Ohio responded to a reported domestic disturbance that escalated into a use of force arrest. The following is a legal analysis under Ohio and federal law.
Hello. What's going on?
They're fighting like cats and dogs.
Are they like physically fighting right now? Like, where are they at?
They're upstairs.
They're upstairs.
They
Which room?
started it.
Get out!
Hey, she's
No.
Hold on.
right now.
Hold on.
Get
No, she's gonna be aggressive.
out!
Please.
Sit down.
Don't tell me what to
All
do.
right, watch.
Don't sit down, okay?
She does it.
What is happening?
Look, and that would have been my fault.
All right, ma'am.
Get off of me!
Brittany. I told you. Why, Brittany? Why?
Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Who's got cuffs?
I got hands.
All right, I got her hands.
I'm on our legs.
All right, I'll get cuffs.
Yep.
Watch out for this cable.
Yep, I got it.
Brittany, you should have took the advice. Calm down, count.
Stop moving your wrist. Do not grab onto me.
Here, someone's. My glasses are coming off.
Okay, well, it's not our concern at the moment.
Fix them.
Brittany, just be quiet, please.
Ma'am, please back up. Please back up.
All right, we're gonna roll you on your side, okay?
Brittany, calm down.
Here, roll on your side, baby.
Brittany, knock it the f off. I know, I'm between your legs.
Oh, man, go sit on the couch. Ow, do not pinch your nails on me.
I had to talk with the
Wait, it has a rabbit. E-Dog, can you go out and grab it?
Any unit, can I send part 10, 843
quiet.
to wrap?
Hey, Henry, stop. You good? Hey, you good?
3169.
All right, go out afterwards, okay?
Brittany, stop.
Brittany, stop.
We can head that way.
We have this talk, man.
I got it.
Material call out.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Please stop.
No.
Just
We told you to stay back.
go-
Stay back.
Do not tell my mom. No. Don't.
Brittany, stop.
What do you people think you are?
You're gonna do years.
You are nothing.
You are gonna do years. Brittany, stop while you're ahead. Stop, Brittany. It's not worth it. Because you think you're losing everything, you're not. Jesus. I'm going to prison.
Chloe, he can't breathe.
Well, that's your fault because you... I'm done talking. I apologize.
Yeah, don't bother with her right now. Just stay over there. She's not listening to you right now.
I literally can't breathe.
We don't?
We can get her in the car. We'll be fine.
Alright. I got this arm.
Jump off.
Alright, 3.
Don't kick me.
Brittany.
Stupid.
Alright, is 8 unlocked? Here, watch the hill. Alright.
Oh, you have 3169, 3169. I'm sorry, 12. Can you repeat that report number? 31690, 31690.
Hey man, just stay inside. I'll come and talk with you in a second.
Okay.
We'll come in a second.
Lift her off.
Okay.
A little bit. All right.
Alright. Watch your head. Take a seat.
So calm.
Alright. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Gum, are you okay?
Yep.
Alright. You okay? Alright. I'm gonna go back in and talk with him. Can you start Hauser in a 32? Oh, damn it, she cut me.
Was she calling or was he calling?
He was a caller.
There you go.
Okay. Okay. Let's take a seat. Calm down.
I'm good.
She's okay. Just take it. I know. I would
I'll
just.
take a seat.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Was there a physical fight between you guys today?
Not until just now, but it wasn't like a fight.
Okay. Can you explain that to
I
me?
have footage. I can't remember because she's broken my stuff before. I know
Okay.
you've seen the notes on this side, but I literally have motion sensor on it from start.
Okay.
I had to see where it starts. Right. I called.
What is this video of?
It's of the whole thing.
Okay, but
It's a
does it
5-minute
show her, you guys fighting, or what is it?
It shows the door. Yeah, it shows the start of
Okay.
it. The door where I was.
So
holding.
was there a physical fight between you guys today?
Not like physical. I pushed her out the room.
You pushed her out
Yeah,
the room?
and it shows on there. Like I
Okay.
pushed her out the room.
Why did you push her out the room?
Because she assaulted me.
Okay,
Like, I
that's what I'm
stood there
trying
and
to get
took
at.
it. Yeah, no,
Okay.
I stood there and took it, and then after like a minute of it, grabbed and literally like moved her to the
Okay.
door. And then when
Did
she got to
you
the door,
throw any strikes at her?
Absolutely
Did she
not.
throw any strikes at you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, not really.
Are
Not really.
you hurt? Do you want EMS?
I mean, no. I mean,
Okay, because
yeah,
we have them coming anyways to check on her.
I got little. It's not. I just wanted to stop.
I mean, they're coming. If
I
you
know.
want to get checked, I'll make sure you get checked.
No, I mean, I did that myself 2 days ago.
Okay, so what is actually from her? Is that from her?
No,
What's that
yeah,
from?
that's where this is from. This, all this right here is not from anything today. That was from 2 nights ago at Square.
Okay.
But that's her. That's her. She ripped my shirt. I don't know if there's something on my chest or not. She tried to get my necklace. That, I mean,
So what started all this? Did he
because
pull
I
that
was
gun in?
smoking a cigarette.
He had her smashed. She was in the floor right here.
Okay.
And he was smashing her with the door.
Okay.
I mean, she was like on her butt. Her head was sticking out. Her glasses went a-flying.
Was this here already?
Yeah. This
Okay,
is
that wasn't from
All
today?
this is previous.
Okay.
Do
Do you see who started it all? Was it him or
She
was it
asked
her?
him to, he ain't allowed to smoke in the house, and he
Uh-huh.
smoked in the house
Okay.
and was being a dick about it. And I don't know what happened right there, but I got to hear and I saw him have her against the wall, and he was manhandling her.
Okay.
It was back and forth, so
Okay. She was hitting him too during the
no,
whole
she
thing?
couldn't really do nothing because she was stuck between here, and he kept closing the door on her.
She was on the ground when that was
Yeah.
happening? Okay. But when she was up against the wall, was she like trying to hit
tried
him or
to
anything
get
to
him
get
off
out of
of
it?
her.
Yeah.
I don't think she hit him. She grabbed his shirt.
Okay.
She might have ripped his shirt. But
Okay.
he was like, "Go ahead."
And you were where when this was happening?
I was here, and I was trapped in the room.
Oh, okay. Were you like trying to break it up? Is that why you were in there?
We have about
first,
445
and
South
then it
Maple.
got so bad that I had to back up so I didn't get knocked over and stuff.
1725.
And it was more him being the aggressor then than she was.
Okay.
I was in the room.
So
she
she-
was trapped in the door.
So she got pissed at him for smoking in the house, and then it just all
23 copy.
spiraled from there.
Escalated, yeah.
Okay.
Minute show.
Okay,
the
so
altercation. If you could just zoom
it
to
might show the first part of it. I'm not
Okay.
sure.
716.
Yeah, right here. Literally, right there. That's where it started. I did not hit her. I wanted to. I did not touch her. She would have had a mark on her face. She literally started right there. Hold on, let me go back 30 seconds. So I can't go any quicker, so you're going to have to watch that. So it
And
started.
27 and 5, be advised, have took off on 18th
Because I had a
Street towards
cigarette.
Kenmore Boulevard. White
See,
male
that's the
wearing
door
a
right
tan
there.
jacket.
She linchpinned right there. Would not let me go to smoke a cigarette outside like she wanted.
27 got
So I was singing, and then she gets up.
Can you show him where she's trapped between the door and the floor?
Yeah, I will. Because I was defending myself. It's better than f***ing her up again.
Just
It's on there. I'm showing everything, Tootie. I'm showing everything. That's why I record.
Is this her mom?
Yes. I don't know why that's hit. See? Right there.
679.
That's where it all started. And I was going to. I stand there. I do not hit her. I do not throw a punch. I yell for Tootie. I hate that it don't have sound.
Well, I got trapped in that room.
Yeah, and when you said let me out, that let her out. I had her contained for a second, and you wanted out, and then you didn't even go out. You didn't even... Yeah, it's all on there, Tootie. It's all on there. You don't have to tell them anything.
Okay.
It's
It's
just
all right.
defending.
Take
That's
a
all it
breather.
is.
Take a breather.
Like,
What's going to happen with Brittany?
Well, she's for sure going to jail today. She kicked and hit 3 out of the
She's
4 of
talking
us at
about
the
the
very
long
least.
run,
So
like,
she's going to jail.
what are the charges?
At the moment, at least obstructing and resisting arrest
Okay.
and assault on a peace officer because she struck most of us.
I know.
So
No,
she's at the very least going to jail for that.
That was my important documents, and I don't touch her. Again, I don't touch her until right here. I yoke her up. I say, get out, bear hug her, and push her towards the door. I put her up against the wall, open the door, and this is what she does, and then I push her out. Like, get out. And I had to kind of wedgie her out, but I didn't know that door shut. But I come right back in.
Okay.
Shut the door. Hold on. No, it's not done. It's not done. I'm literally trying to keep her out, and she gets wedged right here, and that's where I contain her on the call with the cops. That's what she's talking about, wedged between the door.
And there's no audio.
I don't know. I've never really even thought about audio. Hold on. Well, this one is the clip for sure with the start of it, but hold on. I do too, Tootie. I didn't say anything wrong. Why do you keep doing that? Like, I didn't do anything wrong.
So he actually has a camera inside of his bedroom. Oh,
Yeah, she's broken my stuff before, and
are you able to get me back to that video?
yeah, it's just
How'd you
I'm
get
thinking-
those scratches?
oh, these
All of the ones on.
these were from Square 2 nights ago. I had a bucket list, a prison bucket list, and
What did you have any injuries from today?
I mean just scrapes and my pride more than anything.
The video is looking neutral. I want your opinion.
What are you going to prison for?
Failure to notify.
Are you able to?
Which, by the way, question about that since I have
Do you know how to turn the volume back on this?
It should be on already.
It is.
Oh, hold on. No, you
It's
have
like
to
really
start
quiet
it
at
from,
first.
Yeah, no, it is too.
There you go. It gets louder once they.
So what's the
Do I
verdict
need
on the
that?
video?
Well, that's
No,
what we're
we
trying to
said-
figure out. Okay. You mind sitting down? I'll come talk to you in a second. Okay.
You're good, man.
I mean, if so, I'm here. I'm not gonna fight it. I mean, yes, I had to defend myself, but if I did something wrong in defense of myself, I mean, whatever.
Go ahead. Why are you yelling? Bitch, what the fuck?
She grabs him first. It looks like kind of like grab and grab.
No, that's what she did this. That's what she like tried to like pinch me or something.
And then you grab her arm.
No, I twisted her to the wall. I can send you that if you want.
I don't give a fuck. Why are you okay? Yesterday night, right here. What's that? I say something.
Alright, so we showed up for.
Get her. Get her. Knock her the fuck out. Knock her the fuck out. Get it out. Knock her the fuck out. You're allowed to do whatever you want.
11, we copy.
What? I'm serious. What was that? Fuck no. Get the fuck out of this. Oh, you fucking fuck.
And this is why I record everything. Right here.
So bad it's burning,
It
bitch.
shows the complete truth. There's no he say, she say.
No, you're right here. Right now. Yes, I am. I don't deserve this shit. No, why?
I like a cigarette.
Get the fuck away from me.
When did this all start?
I'm not. Fuck
As
you.
soon as
Open
I,
the
like
door.
2 minutes after I called.
These kind of interactions.
Fuck you.
What's been going on? I mean, look at the call up for this house.
She's good. Calling it. She really had no complaints, and it was a one anyway. So. All right, thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Your only complaints of physical violence from her is what, scratching your arms?
Yeah.
Any other injuries that you know of?
No. Just the scrapes and scratches.
Okay.
So, what happened once the officers got on scene?
I didn't want them to come inside. Honestly, I don't really know. I don't remember.
Any drinking, drugs, anything today?
The camera I'm seeing
No, I don't drink.
76
Well,
West
I
at
drink, but
77.
I'm not doing drugs. I don't like people coming up behind me or touching me from behind or anything like that.
Okay.
So I always get aggressive, no matter what, anyone, cops, my mom, anyone. Like, it's going to happen, and they know that. That's why my mom tried to pull me back, because she knew it was going to happen.
Oh, your mom's here too?
Yeah, my mom lives with me. Because this exact thing has happened before. I have an assault on an officer charge before that I just got off of probation for from Portage County, where I was approached from behind, and I ended up just instinctively, like, kicking behind. I don't like it. I don't like talking about it. I don't, like,
Okay.
I just...
So when the officers,
like, even if
immediately
they,
when they got here, they came up behind you, or did
no,
they try to talk
no,
to you guys
they
for a
didn't.
little while?
They did everything correctly. I know I was, like, in the wrong, but it's just the whole situation. Like, I was already worked up, and then just, like, I don't know. Like, telling me that they're going to put me, like, in cuffs, and then turning me around and just, like, the whole thing.
So they told you you were under arrest and you were going into cuffs?
No, they didn't tell me I was under arrest.
Well, they told you they were going to hang on to you, put you in cuffs,
Yeah.
something like that?
Yeah.
And then when...
The warrantless entry rests on the emergency aid exception. Under Brigham City v. Stewart, 547 U.S., 398, and Michigan v. Fisher, 558 U.S. 45 police may enter a home on an objectively reasonable belief. An occupant faces imminent injury. Case v. Montana decided January 2026 confirmed this entry needs no full probable cause, only an objectively reasonable basis that aid is needed. A reported active fight meets that standard. Force is measured under Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 386. Reasonableness is judged from a reasonable officer on scene, weighing the severity of the offense, the immediate threat, and whether the subject actively resists. Restraint asphyxia doctrine requires that a handcuffed subject not be held prone. A statement that the subject cannot breathe is a medical emergency requiring immediate repositioning to a side recovery position. Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.25 defines domestic violence as knowingly causing or attempting physical harm to a family or household member, a first-degree misdemeanor on a first offense. When both parties accuse each other, Ohio law directs officers to identify the primary physical aggressor rather than arrest both. Conflicting accounts make this the weakest charge here. Assault under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.13 becomes a fourth-degree felony when the victim is a peace officer acting in the performance of official duties. Resisting arrest under Section 2921.33 applies only to a lawful arrest. Causing physical harm to an officer raises the offense to a first-degree misdemeanor. Obstructing official business under Section 2921.31 requires an affirmative act that hampers a lawful duty and rises to a fifth-degree felony if it creates a risk of physical harm. The controlling distinction is this: resisting requires a lawful arrest, but a knowing assault on a peace officer does not. A subject can be liable even during a contested arrest. Lesson 1. Document the basis for emergency entry, because the legality of everything that follows depends on a lawful presence in the home. Lesson 2. Treat every complaint of difficulty breathing as a medical event. The correct response is to reposition and monitor, never to dismiss it. Lesson 3. In dual complaint domestic calls, resolve the primary aggressor question before charging, since a premature domestic violence charge is the most vulnerable on review.